Hello guys, here you have the Anet A8 3D printer. It is about 120 euro. It is so cheap, it is good. As you can see over here, that is 5 stars. Every user put 5 stars. As you can see, a lot of people bought it. Here you have the descriptions about it. It is great and nice, has a LCD screen. It's really great, you know. I hope you could have one like this. It is really good to have one because it's so cheap. As you can see the pictures. Yeah. Okay, I will put in the description the link and I hope you buy one of it.